Good morning, everybody. Myself, Dr. Anil Kumar. I am working in Rama University as assistant professor in the Department of Biotechnology and Institute of Engineering and Technology. And I am also working in the as a assistant professor in the Center Research Laboratory, Medical College, Kanpur, Rama Medical College, Kanpur. Hello. Just I am willing to give one lecture, especially in the topic I have selected, ki COVID and its future and its associated challenges in India, because nowadays we are suffering a lot from the COVID. So, what are the current aspect of the COVID-19 and what will be its future in the recent years, recent days. So, let us discuss about the COVID-19. This is a recently born disease which started from the China itself, and nowadays it has been spread all over the world, and lot of peoples are suffering and lot of people has lost their life. So, in India too, first COVID-19 case was reported in 13 January 2020. First case, the first case was reported on 30th January 2020 in Kerala. In Kerala, from that time onward, today we having more than 9 lakh patient in the India. Today is the date is 16/07/2020. More than 9 lakh peoples are suffering or suffered from the COVID-19 disease. So, this is a fast spreading endemic disease. This is endemic disease. This is this spread in all over the world. So, what are its future? Like just I want to discuss in different parts. First of this, how it has come to India. Everybody knows it's because of people to people contact. First thing is contact, people to people, a person to person contact say spread. It is spread from the contact to contact, and still it is going by same method. But now we can see it. First of all, it is spread through person to person, but now it is spreading like in Maharashtra and New Delhi as a community transmission. Now it is working as a community transmission. Transmission meaning is that we don't know from where infection is coming. So, just simply I want to say the main thing is we have to keep social distancing. Social distancing is necessary, and we should not touch the things which we don't know about that. So, wearing gloves, main thing is wearing gloves, goggles, glass sheet, it is important. So, main thing we have to protect till we don't have any medication or any vaccine in India. Simply I am telling you some institute has discovered, they have prepared vaccine like Russia. In the Rouge, one university has developed the vaccine, and they are very near to commercialization. They have completed all the trials of the vaccine, even human trial is also over. So, simple thing is in India too, so many pioneer institutes are working in this area, and they are trying to develop vaccine very soon. I think it will come very soon in the market. So, there will be still there after if once we get the vaccine, then there will be also so many challenges. First thing is, every person will not get immunity by taking the vaccine. Second thing, some age factor may be also there. After certain age, person cannot take that vaccine. Yeah, below that age, person will be not able to take to get the proper immunity. Second thing, side effect of that vaccine is also will appear. Third thing, the most important things nowadays, one criteria is already we having lot of procedure and precautions during the development of vaccines, but what are happening? We are in hurry, we are in very trouble. So, we have made some we have made some sort outs, some steps we have reduced in the development of vaccines. So, if we have reduced the steps, if we have reduces the steps of vaccine formation, then surely I can say you that vaccines may create some problems. So, better thing, we should not take we should not cut off any steps of the vaccine formation. We have to follow all the steps whatever required, whatever proposed by different agencies like the ICMR and Food Corporation of India and Food Corporation of USA. They are having proper guidelines for the preparation of any vaccines. So, simply I want to say, if we are hurry, then we have to be ready to face the challenges, face the problem associated from that. But first of all, we want to say that medication and vaccination is required immediately as early as possible, because so many casualties, mortalities are happening. In India, it is around 3.36% mortality rate is there. Mortality rate is there, but still we are in safe position. Like in other country, developed country, they having high mortality rate. They are even they are suffering lot from us. But because we are high populated, we are staying in the high populated country. So, because of high population, the chances of infection in India is too much. So, simply I want to say that we are facing now a problem. After getting a vaccine, we will face again some problems. So, we have to be ready for that. So, one vaccine will not be enough for cure completely the cyst. So, that means the institutes who are working in the the institute who are working in the vaccine formation, they are pioneer in the vaccine formation. They should have designed vaccine in 3-4 steps. First of all, they have to prepare any vaccines, one vaccine in hurry, and second vaccine should be like they have to prepare after some times. They should take some times, but that vaccine should be more competent, more effective, easy, cost effective, eco friendly, and very low side effect. That property should also have in that. For a long term use, for a proper use, for a suitable betterment, we have to develop a proper vaccine which should come as early as possible. So, my question is there ki how many institutes are working in India? Like you have known so many institutes like Plasma Institute of India, like one pioneer institute which are working in this area, that is Plasma Institute, Plasma Serum Institute, Serum Institute of India, that is situated in Pune. This is the pioneer institute which is working in development of vaccines. One more institute known as THISTI, 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 Translational Health Institute of Science. This is in Noida. that is also not Noida, it is in near Delhi towards Haryana. So, such institutes are also working in the development of vaccines. One more institutes, NII, National Institute of Immunology in New Delhi. These are working New Delhi. These are working areas. These are working institutions which are pioneer. And one more institute is TIFR, Tata Institute of Fundamental Research. So many institutes, AIIMS itself, ICMR laboratories are also working in this area. So many things are being done nowadays. An entire world is busy to discover this medicines, medications and vaccines. So, we have to develop, we should develop it as early as possible, first thing, and we should not do any shortcut in the process during the development. And second thing, if we are able to develop any medication, that will be more effective than the vaccines, because vaccine having its own limitations, vaccine having its own problems, but medications should be very much effective for the curing of this challenging disease. So, some few more things I want to share with you. One is the what is this is a COVID. So, severe this is a category of this virus is COVID is the family of the virus, and one of the virus which is known as COVID-19, we are also telling it SARS-CoV-2. This is the disease created by one. It has started from China and now it is spreading all over the world. Suspected case, what are the identification of suspected case? So, just I want to say fever, cough and maybe requiring the fever or any respiratory problems and cough. If any patients are giving such type of symbols, the person should be immediate admit into the hospital. So, first of all we have to identify the person who are suffering from the disease. After identification, the person should be admitted in the hospital immediately, and we should make him quarantine from our home, or we can quarantine inside the home also, but we have to take precautions. The family members should take the precautions how to handle, how to live with that patient. Second thing, how we can identify this is a person is suffering from the COVID-19. So, there are so many techniques has been developed till now, and the most effective which is ICMR recommended is real time PCR. Just I am telling you real time PCR detection of COVID-19 for the detection of nexus of COVID-19. So, this technique is only giving best results, good results for the detection of this COVID-19. Other so many things you have to say, you have to know, like the rapid card test is also there. Rapid card test and ELISA test. These are tests are available, but the accuracy of this test is too much. So, we should follow only real time PCR report. We should not believe on the rapid test and ELISA test. So, just why I am telling we should believe it, because it having gene specific primers, that is gene specific primer, and it gives only amplification whenever particular strain, a particular gene is there. So, that means this techniques is only reliable techniques. So, we have to diagnose any patient with the use of real time PCR only. And so many laboratories, even in Kanpur also there are one or two laboratories are working on the real time PCR based probe. So, similarly, I am telling to everyone that we have to take precaution for the caring of the patient, we have to take precaution in the getting the testing, and we have to take the precautions during taking any medicines are first things is there कि we should have how to protect from this disease, how to get how to develop immunity for curing this disease. So, first thing is person should be hydrated. That means क्या we have to take plenty of water. Hydration is required primary. First thing we have to be proper hydrated. Second thing we should take vitamin C and vitamin D. We should take proper vitamin D and vitamin C in our diet. We should involve proper vitamin C, vitamin D in our diet. Second thing we should take also during this is the precautions we have to take it. But if any person is getting exposed from this virus, then the person should be admitted and we should not take any medicine without the consultancy of doctor. So, there may be different medications, some antiviral medicines are also available. So, hydroxychloroquine is well known, this is giving us best results, good results. So, that is the part of hospital. We should not take anything from ourselves, but we should take vitamin D, vitamin C, hydration and property. And we should also move towards the Ayurveda, like the turmeric powder is there and some other remedies there. So, we should also take they get good quality of immunity for protection of this. And especially we have to take care is the person who are below the 10 years and the person who are above the 60 years. We should give them extra care because they may get some worse condition during the infection. So, anyhow we have to protect them, children as well as older person, and the young person should also take precautions. So, that means कि after this COVID-19 like in India 22nd March onward first lockdown was there. So, after this date, after 22 or 23 March, we have changed entire lifestyle of our society. We cannot we cannot get collected in any parties, we have not collected in any restaurant, hotels, restaurants. Even we have left lot of foods, especially junk foods, whatever we have taken earlier. Now, we are taking precautions even inside homes, how we can share our talk ideas from the family members. We are also that has been also changed. So, similarly after the exposure of COVID-19 all over the world, the society lifestyle has been changed and still need to be changed. It has been still there is a need of still so many persons who are not well educated, they do not know about the COVID-19, how it is spreading. So, they are not following the strict rules to protect them. So, just simply I want to say we have to change our styles, we have to change our meeting patterns, we have to change our office atmosphere, everywhere we have to make the change. Thus, by doing some efforts we can be safe from this disease, because this right now we do not have any medicine proper cure of this disease. So, simply I want to say this is the common prevention measure. Just I wanted to tell about how to protect ourselves, prevention measurements and related things. Next thing is कि what are the problems associated to develop its vaccine, because most of the people are telling कि why scientists are not getting vaccine, why they are not being producing the vaccine as early as possible. So, just I want to tell you कि this is the RNA virus, this is RNA virus and it having high mutation rate. It having high mutation rate, because of high mutation rate it get mutated very frequently. So, because of mutation high rate it is very difficult to target the virus या design the vaccine against them. So, I have read so many papers. So, now people are trying to First of all, they are trying to stop the mutation of that virus. If anyhow we will reduce the mutation rate of this virus, then we can develop vaccines or medicine very easily. So many work has been done. Even I have read about the TRUST-I, the Institute of Translational Health Institute in near New Delhi. This institute has been identify epitope on the virus which kills antibodies of host, a person. So, they have identified epitopes on the virus surface which are killing the antibodies in the person. So, if they have identified, they may design some medicines to destroy the epitopes on the viruses. Simply just I want to say that such type of basic research is required, fundamental research is required, by which we can change the we can stop the mutation rate of the virus. So, there are so many challenges associated with this, and so many research is needed for this. So, but I am very sure we will get a vaccine, India will get the vaccine within few months, and I hope for best कि this coronavirus will be eliminated from the entire world very soon. So, be hopeful, be positive, and live healthy, and create healthy environment around you, and create better treatment of your family and your office members. So, it is our duty to make awareness of others, especially the person who are our neighboring. So, just take suggestion, this is my suggestion, be patient, be cool, need not to worry about this disease, but be careful and take precautions, especially few months. So, okay, thank you, all the best.